Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Thursday, July 7th, 2022. The time is 9 o'clock and I'm just starting now. I've had the ES on. I already hit oil for 24.
Order submitted.
And it looks like the ES is coming in.
Order canceled.
There we go. Let's keep running. That was quick. See if we can walk this one all the way down.
Order filled. Target filled.
Free trade.
Stop filled.
Well, see if the ES keeps pushing.
Order canceled.
Okay, I'm 2400 on him, 35 on him over there. Okay, let's see what we got. See if we get another one here. Well, 3,500, you know. Can't beat that. That's 5,000 roughly.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Okay, now let's let it get along deeper on. Get back in the green.
Order filled.
Wow, it's just pulling back. Has no real sustainable drive. Yeah, it's just. Well, I'm up pretty good in all of them. Okay, come on, next few minutes. Not, we're going to call it good. Yeah, it's not moving like it normally does. It must be slowing down. I wonder if this is now summertime trading. I know a few months ago I was saying it was summertime trading, but that was because they had a holiday I didn't know about. Federal holiday out of the blue. But usually summertime trading is really slow. Oil doesn't move like it is now. It's moving like crazy, but it normally doesn't move like that. You're looking at tighter ranges. Much tighter. And after the pit opened, which is at 8 o'clock morning Central Time, it moved pretty good. I hit that pretty good. Alright, well, oh, shoot. Strategy performance here. On this one, 3,700 or 77, $122 a commission. 100% winners, $93,000 for the month for that. So,
Order submitted.
here we go. Come on.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, I took that one because the ES or the NQ reversed, and that was going down, and it runs by this.
Order canceled.
Let's see if we can get a runner on this. Oh, we're up over 10 grand. Gonna see if it's got any nuts to it. Come on, make a nice long run. I took my profit from the ES because you see, when that turned up, this was going down, it fired, so I got rid of it. I made money on it still, but I know it was going to go up. It was going to hit my stop. So there's no point in staying in it. And this one's running nice, so we can make up the difference. Come on, I don't want to see a pullback yet. Let's just keep going up. I'm going to try to get all the meat on this bone. Here we go. There we go. Get back up there, all the way up to the top. There's a spot right up there. Yes, keep going. Keep going. One more push.
Order canceled.
That's good. Okay. There. Now let's look at it again. Strategy performance. The ES. I made $4,442. 244 of it is taken out for commissions, so that runs you down to 4,100. 100% winners. Do that every day, every month. 135,000. We look over here on oil. We went 2,400. 135, so you're looking at 2,200 roughly there. 100% winners. And do this every month and you make 73,000. And then the good old NQ. Okay, $6,244 commissions. And you take that out, so you're roughly 5,900. 93%, 100 on the longs, 80% on the shorts. And you do this every month, you'll make 188,000 total. So, yeah, I'd say that's a pretty good day. And the time is, I believe it's 9:10 or 12. And we made, well, let's do the math. 4442 plus 2404 plus 6195. 13,000 for the day. So can't sneeze at that. It's time to quit. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep making videos, and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep making them. Thank you.